In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import videos into CapCut. Whether you're using the web version in your browser or the CapCut app on your computer or phone, the process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can start editing right away. Begin by opening CapCut. If you prefer the web, head to the official site in a modern browser. If you're on desktop or mobile, launch the app. A quick tip before you start. Make sure your connection is stable on the web, and keep the app updated so imports process quickly and without errors. Once CapCut is open, create a new project. You'll be prompted to choose an aspect ratio. Select 9:16. This vertical format is perfect for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. If your final destination is vertical content, choosing 9:16 now helps you preview your framing accurately as you edit. You can adjust later if needed, but starting with the right canvas saves time. Now, there are two ways to import videos into your project. Use whichever feels most comfortable for you. The first way is to use the Upload button. Look for the Media or Upload area in the editor, then click Upload. A file picker will open, so you can navigate to your video. Select your clip and confirm. If you want to bring in multiple clips, you can usually select more than one at once. CapCut will upload and process the files, and you'll see a progress indicator. Larger files may take a moment, so don't worry if it isn't instant. When the upload finishes, your clips will appear in the media library for this project, ready to be used. The second way is to drag and drop your video directly from your computer or device into the CapCut window. Open your File Explorer or Finder. Find your video, click and hold the file, then drag it over the CapCut editor. Drop it onto the media panel or into the workspace, and CapCut will begin importing automatically. This method is fast and great for quickly grabbing clips from a folder. As with the first method, wait for the short processing step, and your video will appear in your media library. That's all you need to import videos into CapCut. After your clips show up in the media area, you're ready to start building your edit on the timeline, add cuts, and apply effects. If you run into slow uploads, try smaller files or close other heavy apps, and for web users, consider using a wired connection. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!